Welcome to ASEAN MedTech Insights. In a significant development last week, Malaysia's Medical Device Authority, the MDA, initiated the full enforcement of its updated risk-based classification system for medical devices. This is not just a minor administrative update. It represents a fundamental shift in how devices are assessed, carrying immediate and critical implications for manufacturers currently in or planning to enter the Malaysian market. The core of this change is a stricter alignment with the ASEAN Medical Device Directive's classification rules. This has resulted in a wave of up-classification, where many devices previously in lower risk categories, such as Class A or B, are now being moved to higher risk classes like C or D. For example, certain types of diagnostic software that perform complex data analysis or wearable devices that monitor vital signs for critical care are prime candidates for this reevaluation. This reclassification is a major hurdle. A higher risk class demands a much more comprehensive technical dossier and, crucially, a mandatory conformity assessment performed by a designated conformity assessment body, or CAB. Consider the case of a company producing a smart insulin pen that includes software to track dosage history and suggest adjustments. Under the previous guidelines, it might have comfortably been a Class B device. With the new enforcement, its software component could push the entire system into Class C. This means the manufacturer's existing registration dossier is no longer adequate. They must now urgently compile additional clinical evidence, validate their software according to new standards, and engage a CAB for a full audit, a process that can add months and significant cost to their compliance efforts. This move by Malaysia signals a maturing regulatory landscape across ASEAN. While the long-term vision of the AMDD is harmonization, the short-term reality is a complex patchwork of national implementation timelines. Malaysia is setting a precedent for rigorous enforcement. This raises the pressure on other nations like Thailand and Vietnam to accelerate their own alignment. For MedTech companies, this means the era of leveraging regulatory ambiguity is closing. A proactive, robust regulatory strategy is no longer optional. Navigating these evolving regulations is critical for sustained market access. For expert guidance on adapting your strategy and ensuring compliance in Malaysia and across ASEAN, you can email info@pureglobal.com or visit the Pure Global website.